What's going on, guys? Today's date is November 15th and I live in Colorado, so that means it's gonna start snowing here any day now. We've only had one snow so far, but we're supposed to get a big storm tomorrow night and I'm driving all the way down to Denver, so I want to make sure I am prepared. So I'm putting on my winter setup right now. I already got the fronts off. Here's my summer set. And here's my winters. I haven't showed them to you guys yet. They're Volk Racing, what are they? GTCs. So it's just a two-piece wheel, 18x8. So you already got the fronts on, both sides. And normally I run a winter tire, like a snow tire, like a Blizzak or something. But these are just Continental Connie Extreme Contact DWSs. It's an all-season, but a decent all-season, so I'll just be running these. I mean, I'll be fine. I've got all-wheel drive, so yeah. I'm gonna throw these on, let you guys hang out with me for a little while. Yeah. So I torqued up the wheels off screen and went for a quick drive just to go see how they felt. And they rub a little bit just in the rears, which I'm not too surprised about because they are a little bit more aggressive as an offset. Let me just go outside real quick. But they look good. They look real good. Let me stand back. I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. I mean, up front, fitment's pretty good. And then in the rear, I mean, obviously it rubs a little bit, so it's about as close as you can get without being perfect. So I will need to roll these rear fenders, but just barely. I mean, just barely, barely, barely. Yeah, they feel good. Tires ride nice. I set the coilovers in the rear to stiffer, and that seemed to help with the rubbing a lot. Like, it didn't rub hardly at all after I did that, only over really, really big bumps or like coming up over curbs. So that's good. So I'll be fine. It's not rubbing like I think honestly if I drove it a little while longer it would rub enough. Like, it only needs to rub a tiny bit and then it will sort of not rub anymore because it'll wear enough away. But I'll get them rolled a little bit, or I'll roll them just a little bit, but for now it'll be fine just running my coilovers stiff. So that's the end of this video. It was a quick one, but thanks for watching. Leave a like if you want, make sure to subscribe, or comment if you have anything to say. But besides that, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.